This is how you use getters and setters in Java. So first create the object that we want to get and set from and on. So the person object, we can give it a name of type string and an age of type integer. So the way we would get and set these two values without getters and setters in our program would be to first of all create a new person object and refer to it like this and set the name like this. So in this case we will call him Bob and set the age of Bob to, let's say, 20. And the way we would get these two values would be, so we can just print it out. So name would be to refer to the object name, and then, oh, we just need a plus here. And the age of this person. We will refer to like this. So if you try to run this, you can see that we get the name of the person, which is Bob, that we set it to previously, and the age of Bob is 20 that we are setting above. So introducing setters and getters to this, we would, so setters always return void because they are just setting a value on the object. They are not returning anything. So we want to give the value that we want to set on the object like so through parameters, and then we refer to this name on this person object that we are currently inside of by using this, and we refer to the name of this person on this person object, and we are giving it the name that we are getting from the argument of the setName method. And the way we would get this name would be to, so getters always have a return type of the attribute type they want to return. So in this case we want to return a string because the name attribute has the value, has the type string, and we want to call it the get name. So getters don't use any arguments because we are getting the value from the object and not from any arguments, and we simply just return the value on the person, so the name value on the person. And we will just do the same with the age. I will just do it quickly here. So we set the age of the person the same way as we did with the name. So we are giving it an age through the parameter of the method, and we are using this parameter to set the age on the person object like so, and we are getting it. We should also have a getter method for this. So age is a integer, so we want to return an integer when we are getting the age, and we don't want any parameters or arguments to go to this method, and we are simply just returning the age of the person, so like this. So now we have all these getters and setters available to us in our program. And another thing that you want to do when using setters and getters inside of the object is to set the fields to private, because now you won't be referring to them anymore directly. You would do it through the setters and getters that are inside the person object. So now our program will hate us because we are referring directly to the name and the age on the person object, which are now private. So now we can't access them anymore. So this is an access modifier in Java. And to, if we were to be able to refer to these fields directly, we would set them to public. Then we would have the ability to refer to them directly again. But we want to set them to private as we are using getters and setters now. So we won't refer to them directly anymore. And our getters and setters are public, so we can refer to them directly. So now we would set the name of the person another way. So we would do it like this now. And we would give the Bob value through the argument of the setName method, and the same with the age. So 20 through the parameter. And now we would get the name with our getter method, and we would get the age with our age getter method. So as you can see, this is much cleaner now, as we are handling the set and get functionality of the person inside of the person object. This is not the program that should have the responsibility of setting and getting these things. So we should now just be directly able to use methods from the object to set and get values on and from the object as well. So now if we just run this, you can see that we get the same result, but this is now with a much cleaner and better approach to this. So this is it. This is how to use getters and setters. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and yeah, so see you.